Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining today. Hope you're doing well. I'm recording this on December 30th, early in the morning, about 6 a.m. I wanted to do a video going through a bunch of sales that we've made recently this last week or so. Ephemera related sales, paper, the majority of which are going to be print ads and postcards. But I wanted to start this one off with this really cool item that was just my own personal thing. I picked it up. I used to work in Disney back in 06 and 07, and this is from the Epcot Flower and Garden Festival in 2007. We got this for free as cast members. It's a poster, nice looking thing. I've never opened it. You can see it kind of shows the International Gateway area for those who are familiar, and it looks like that's a poppy right there, a poppy flower. But you can see there's the original piece in the tube. Never opened it, got it as a gift, or a perk of being a cast member. And this just sold yesterday, $50 plus shipping. Really happy about that one. It was sitting in my basement for many years actually at this point. 07 is 15 years ago. As unbelievable as that sounds, but great sale on that one, $50. All right, let us go through some amazing print ad sales. I'm still running this 20% off sale. I continued it through January 1st, and we'll see, we might extend it after that. It's doing really well for me. This is a Zippo lighter from 1968. Took a best offer for $18.99, so just $3 off. $18.99, black and white. Zippo lighters themselves, I know, are very collectible, so this is kind of a byproduct of that popularity of the product itself. The print ad, $18. This next one is from 1959. It is an advertisement, obviously, for Lucky Strike cigarettes. Cigarette ads are very, very popular. A lot of people collect them. This one has two policemen on the cover, get the honest taste of Lucky Strike. A couple of cops enjoying a cup of coffee and a cigarette. $13.19 on this one. It's the 20% off my regular pricing, plus shipping. And now here's one from back in 1918. It's a World War I era ad. It's for West Clock alarm clock. Same thing, 20% off. So it equates to $13.19 plus shipping on that one. Really nice, vivid image there, black and white. But look at how clear the alarm clock itself looks. From Ladies' Home Journal in March of 1918. Next one is from 1916. This is for Heinz 57. Makers famously, of course, of Heinz 57 ketchup. But they also made, that 57 represents 57 different varieties. They sold all sorts of products. You can see some of them highlighted here. This one looks like it's for Heinz spaghetti. 57 varieties. That's an image of the actual Heinz plant down there. I'm pretty sure we listed this also on one of my listing shows on Friday nights. Remember these columns? We sold a couple just like this, probably listed on the same show. Here's another one. This one sold, same thing, $13.19 plus shipping. Continuing the magic, $13.19 plus shipping. This one is from back up into 1947. It's for U.S. Royal Tires. That's the top half of the ad. That's the bottom half of the ad. This definitely was listed prior to me getting my large flatbed scanner. This is how I used to list advertisements back then. Still works. Of course, I prefer to have the whole ad, visible on one photo, and now I have that capability. But back then, I would just kind of scan one half and then scan the other half. These are from Life magazines, which are about 15 inches long, and they don't fit typically in a regular scanner. So again, $13.19 plus shipping on the U.S. Royal Tire ad. Here we go up to 1953. You could see jack-o'-lantern there on the table, as one does. It's for Schlitz beer. Halloween sells all year round. We just passed Halloween a month or two ago, and here it is selling at the end of December. Schlitz beer. This one was a little high. This was for $14.07 plus shipping. 1953. 30 years before that, 1923. This advertisement is for Mule Team Borax. This one was sold on a best offer, not one of those sales. Took $14.99 on this one. Fair enough. You can see right here, soap and water and Mule Team Borax. And here's a close-up of this one from McCall's Magazine, October 1923. Looks like a housewife toiling every single day of the week. My goodness. Soap and water, Mule Team Borax. And now up to 1943 we go. This one is for Clark's Chewing Gum. Nice image here, colorful. Almost has a Disney-esque vibe. Also almost has like one of those Lucky Charms kind of character vibes. A castle and some elves, and almost looks like Seven Dwarfs sort of characters here. Kind of a hodgepodge, but a nice one nevertheless. Clark's Chewing Gum. This one sold for $13.19 plus shipping. A piece of sheet music here. Just wanted to point this out. This was part of a sale. Somebody bought a postcard, and which we'll get to in a moment, and this piece of sheet music as well. Legendary Andrews Sisters from 1939. This one sold full price $17 plus shipping. A tune called Oh Johnny, Oh Johnny Oh. Andrews Sisters Legendary Trio from the 30s and the 40s. Great sale there. 1939, again, we have a beautiful car ad here, Ford automobile. This one sold for $22. That was on sale. I always price my car ads up, and you can kind of see why. Extremely popular. They sell well. Nice advertisement here. Handsome, kind of a navy blue car. You could kind of see the head and hat of a woman driving there out of the world's greatest plant. The new Ford cards are rolling in. Background almost looks like one of the postcards I have up for sale, the Ford Motor Plant in Detroit. But anyway, on that one, $22 plus shipping. To 1938 we go. The mythical $13.19 plus shipping, 20% off. This is for RCA Radio. Another one of those items that I scan the top and bottom separately. Black and white advertisement. Nice, some handsome radios there. 1933, this is for Bissell Sweeper. It's, for those who might remember, it's one of those handheld sweepers. It's not really a vacuum cleaner. And it's mom yelling at the little kid for traipsing in some junk onto her rug. That one also $13.19 plus shipping. 1929 for Jello Gelatin advertisement. Same $13.19. There's a blow up of the image. You can see the different uses of Jello. It looks like it includes some recipes here. It does. To each their own. I wouldn't touch Jello with a 10-foot pole, but that's just me. Regardless, I'm happy to sell the product. All right, up to 1966 we go. The next two ads were purchased by the same person. This first one, of course, is Bert Lahr, famously the lion from the Wizard of Oz film. Hawking some Lay's potato chips here. $17.59 plus shipping on this one. And then the next one that this lady purchased from back in 1918, LePage's Glue Antique Print Ad, World War I era. Nice image here. You can see very colorful. That one sold for, of course, $13.19 plus shipping. So the two, about $30 between the two ads. Really nice sales. Now let's go to the wonderful world of postcards. Show a few postcards that have sold recently. This first one, I had it listed for $5.99. Took a best offer of $4. St. Joseph's, Michigan. It's a hotel on the lakefront. Kind of beat up, as you see. So I was happy to take the $4 on it. Have about 12 cents into it, so $4 is a nice little profit. This next one is from Denver, Colorado. It did sell for full price, $7. It's a linen postcard for a Coliseum Recreation Building at the Western Stock Show. Almost looks like an airplane hangar in this image, but it is apparently a Coliseum from the Western Stock Show. $7 on that one. Next one also sold for $7. It's from Ocean City, New Jersey. I've listed a bunch of these cards, these seashore towns down in New Jersey. This is a bathing beach and boardwalk scene, kind of packed beach. Ocean City, $7. Next one is also from New Jersey. This is very close to, it's a place called the Somerville Circle. I used to live in this general area for about 15 years in New Jersey. Somerset County, for those who know. Anyway, this is Raritan, New Jersey. A dual view chrome card sold for $6. That hotel is still there. So nice one there, $6. The next one is from Salt Lake City. This one sold for $9. It's a pretty image. Really nice winter scene. You can see the Mormon temple in the background. Wintertime. $9 on that one. Next one up is from Fergus Falls, Minnesota. It's just an image of the post office. Sold for $8. Not exactly an uncommon view. It looks like a whole bunch of other cards like this featuring post offices in different towns. Maybe it's the town itself, Fergus Falls, being relatively obscure. In either case, I'm very happy. $8 on that one. And then finally for today's video, $6 here. Wilkes-Barre is how it's pronounced, Pennsylvania. It's kind of the Pocono area. Linen postcard. This is the GAR Memorial High School. Again, kind of a typical image. Handsome enough, but typical. Sold that one for $6. So I hope everybody has a wonderful New Year's coming up. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, 2022, 2023, 48 hours away. I hope everybody has a wonderful and safe New Year's Eve and a fantastic new year ahead. We'll be here coming at you with some new material, lots of live shows coming up hopefully in the new year on Monday and Friday nights. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I'd really appreciate it if you consider giving us a subscription and joining the team. It's been a lot of fun. It's been a wonderful year, my first year full-time on YouTube. I hope to see everybody soon. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.